Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this UPSC CSAT complete lecture series. Today we are going to do something very important topic, and that is cube and cuboid. See, in this topic you have to do some imagination or some visualization of cube and cuboid. Okay, only then it will be easy for you, right? Otherwise there will be no formula for this one, because in UPSC they will ask some conceptual questions, not any formula based questions. Okay, so you have to understand this thing. Fine, first understand this concept, then you can solve any type of question whatever they will ask. Got it? Okay, so let's begin. See, this is a cube, bigger cube. Look at this bigger cube, Rubik cube. Okay, how many faces do it have? You can see, like, this is the first face, top one. This one is the bottom face. Okay, this one is the left one. This one is the right one face, and then this face and this face. So total it have how many faces? Total it have 6 faces. Okay, so right now you can see it have 3 by 3. You can see a smaller cube, how many they have? There is 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So I can say like it is 3 by 3 cube. Okay, and the height is also 1 2 3. Okay, so 3 by 3 by 3, like this you can say. Is it clear? So every side, length, breadth, height, every side it has 3 small cubes. Is it clear? So can you tell me, like, how many cubes, smaller cubes, do it have? Just try it. Just try it once, because this is the only thing they are asking. Okay, so let me help you. Try to understand layer by layer. Okay, in the first layer you can see clearly, like, how many cubes are there? Smaller cubes. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 cubes, smaller cubes. Similarly, it has also 9 cubes, and it has also 9 cubes. So total, that means total cubes will be 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 27 cubes. Okay, so now here is a formula, like, if there is like 3 cubes in the length side, 3 cubes in the breadth side, and 3 cubes in the height side, so simply you can say like it is 3 cube, 3 to the power cube. 3 is what? Number cubes in one side. If it is cube, not cuboid, right now I am talking about the cube. Okay, so simply it is 3 cube, or you can say side cube. Got it? So actually this is the formula of volume of cube. If you know something about mathematics, then you know this one, like volume of cube is equal to what? Side cube. Okay, so that is 27 cube. Is it clear? So right now we are talking about cube, later we will talk about the cuboid. Got it? Fine. So now, which type of question they will ask? If you see the PYQs, like 2023 UPSC paper or 2024 UPSC paper, you will find few questions, like 2 or 3 questions you can find, and those are very conceptual. So look at those one. This is the question from UPSC 2024. Just look at the question. Like, 125 identical cubes are arranged in the form of a cubical block. Same thing, Rubik cube. Okay, how many cubes are surrounded by other cubes from each side? Means every side. Okay, so this line is very important, like what they are asking about, right? So first thing is, it is given 125 cubes. 125 cubes. So right now I have told you, like, if whatever it is given, you can try like side cube. side cube is equal to this value. So what is the value of side? So you know, like side will be like this one is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and that is 125. That means side is equal to what? 5. 5 units means 5 cubes. Okay, so actually the picture will be like this one. Okay, so here you can see like there are how many cubes in the bottom line? 1 2 3 4 5 in the length side, then 1 2 3 4 5 in the breadth side, and height side will be the 5. Okay, the total it is 125 cubes. Okay, so this is your actual cubical block. Okay, now how many cubes are surrounded by other cubes from each side? So if you look at this cube, just this one, so you can see like this face and this face and this face, top one face. So these three faces are not surrounded by any cubes, any identical cubes, right? If you look at this one, here again you can see like this face and this face is not surrounded. Got it? If you look at this one, any surface of this one, so here the outer surface is not surrounded. If you look at this one, okay, so here also the outer surface is not surrounded by any cubes, right? So which what will be the cubes? Which cubes will be like our answer, our required answer? So actually if you remove the first layer, if you remove this first layer, the inside cubes will be your answer. Are you getting this one? If you remove this one, actually I don't have that 3D representation, that's why I'm not getting I'm not able to represent that one. But you have to imagine, you have to reconsider that one, like how, I mean you have to visualize the things. Like if you remove the first layer, if you remove the top one layer, okay, I mean what I'm saying, if you remove this one, okay, if you remove this surface, this first one, okay, if you remove this first one, all 6 surface, if you remove the outer surface, outer layer, okay, what will be remained? Try it. So actually if you remove, like if you remove this one, okay, if you remove this one, if you remove this one, just from one side I am giving you example, if you remove this one, so actually you will have 3 by 3 by 3 this picture, 3 by 3 by 3 this cube you will have. Okay, actually you will remove this face also, but I am talking about the inside one. Okay, about the inside, like if you remove this face also, there will be 3 by 3 in the middle one, that core one, okay, which is untouched by any outer surface, I mean the atmosphere. Okay, so you will have 3 by 3 by 3 cube inside this bigger cube. Okay, so how many cubes will be there? It is 27. So your answer will be 27. Are you getting this one? Okay, try to visualize the things, then it will be more easier for you. Okay, because not everything is like you can consider like how to represent this one. Okay, so you have to visualize the things, you have to just imagine the things, like how to remove these cubes. Okay, now sometimes, I mean which type of question next they can ask, or they have asked, like if they said like they are painting this one, this space, okay, let me do this one, like they are painting the top one, okay, top surface and bottom surface, or whatever they will ask, like left, right, bottom and top, or consecutive surface, they will say they have painted that one. Okay, and now they are asking like how many faces are painted. Okay, if you look at this one, like if I have painted this one black, okay, if I painted this one black, complete surface I have painted the black. Okay, now if I am talking like how many cubes have the face painted two faces have painted black. So our answer will be like this cube, this cube, this cube, and this one also. It has two faces which have painted black. So our answer will be 5. Okay, are you getting this one? And if they are asking like how many cubes are there which have face, one face has black, so it will be like these cubes, I mean 5 multiplied by 4, this is 20. Here is also 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20, means 40 cubes are there, which has face only one face is black. Okay, so this type of question they have asked in 2023. Got it? So let's try the next question. So this question is from UPSC 2023. Okay, so look at this question, like what is the least possible number of cuts required to cut a cube into 64 identical pieces? Now again, whatever number of pieces is given, when they are talking about cube, then actually this is cube of some side. Okay, so we can say like 64 is equal to side cube. Okay, just remember this one, whenever there is a cube, then simply you can say like whatever the value is given, whatever the number of identical pieces is given, that is the side cube. So you will have like this is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that means this is the side length of 4, I mean side has 4 cubes. Okay, so actually this is the real representation of this one. Got it? Now they are saying like what is the least possible number of cuts required. Okay, so if you are thinking like this is a cube or anything, like you can say vegetables also, you can imagine vegetables also, like you are cutting that vegetable. Okay, so first of all we are talking like how many cuts are required here. Just think without without thinking, don't rush towards the answer. So let me tell you like how many cuts are there. Like first cut is this one, okay, second cut is this one, third cut is this one. So you will get the slice of that one. Okay, you will get that this slice, you will get this slice, you will get this slice and this one. Okay, you will get 4 slices. Right now you are getting 4 slices, not that cube. Okay, now again you will get you will do that cut from this side, this cut, this one and this one, again 3 cuts. Are you getting this one? What I am trying to say is, first you have done this one, you will get simple bread slice, again this one bread slice, this one, all 4 you will have, this one is bread slice. Now if you cut like this one, like this side, okay, this type of cutting, you will get a longer slide. Okay, like you can say what, okay, simply you can say vertical slides. Okay, now if you cut like this one, if you cut from this side, this point, so finally you will have smaller cubes. Are you getting this one? Okay, the first one is slice, complete slice, bread slice. Then when you cut like this one, you will get that vertical slides, I mean longer slide. Finally if you cut like this one, you will get the cubes, smaller pieces. Okay, if you do chopping of vegetables or anything or cakes, you will know like how you do that one. Okay, so how many cuts are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is 9 cuts. Okay, so there is no formula for this one, you have to understand like how to cut these things. Okay, so whatever it is given, you have to consider that thing. Is it easy or not? So I think I am making this one easy for you, and still if you are not getting this one, you can comment that thing and I will try to explain that thing. Okay, fine. So moving to the next one. So this question is about the cuboid. Okay, so right now we have discussed about the cube. Now let me tell you first about the cuboid. Okay, so if you know the volume of cuboid, volume is equal to what? Length into breadth into height. So whatever the dimension is given, you have to just multiply those things. Okay, you will get the volume. Okay, similarly in this case, when a smaller thing is involved, let's say like a box, a cuboidal box is given. Okay, in that box a cuboidal box is given. Okay, let's say this is a cuboidal box. Okay, like packaging box. Okay, inside this one there is a smaller cube box, cubical box. Okay, let's say like I'm just trying to make it this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, and inside this one, like, okay, later you will understand like what is this one, like how many cuboid are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and in the at the bottom it will 8. Okay, 8 plus 8, that is 16. So just for example I have given you like this one. So there is a bigger cuboidal box, and inside that one there is a cubical box. There are some few smaller cubical box. Okay, so like this one you have to find like what is the number cubical box, or whatever they will ask, you have to find based on that one. Okay, so can you try this one? Let's say whatever the volume is given. Okay, if they will ask like number of, what is the number of cuboid, I mean cubical box. Okay, so simply you can say volume of what? Cuboid, one cuboid, that bigger one. Okay, one cuboid divided by volume of one cubical box. Okay, so you will get the number of that means cubical box. Okay, is it clear? Now whatever the condition is given, like if they are painting some face or they are doing something, okay, based on that you can assume the things. Okay, you can consider the things. Okay, so let's try this one, you will understand more. Fine. So the question is, the cuboid of dimension 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter is painted red, green and blue color on each pair of opposite faces. Okay, so just for representation I have given you cube, not cuboid. Okay, just consider that one. Okay, so what I am saying is, one side is 7 centimeter. Okay, let me draw that one. Okay, it will be more clear than you. So this is your cuboid. Okay, this is your 7 centimeter. Then you can consider like this one is 5 centimeter and this one is 3 centimeter, or whatever you can say, like this is 5, this is 7, this is 5, this is 3. Okay, that's no problem. Fine. Now painting, like this is red, bottom one is also red. Okay, this one is green, this one is also green. Fine. Front one is blue and back one is also blue. Is it clear? Fine. Now dimension is given. Okay, that is important, like which dimension is which color. Okay, for red it is given 7 by 3, I mean 7 by 5. So let me do like this is not 3, this should be 5. Okay, actually this sequence is length, breadth and height. So better I should write length, this is breadth, this is height. Okay, that will be more clear for you. So this one is red, this one is red. Then second is 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means this one, this face is green, that is right, and this face is blue. Okay, fine. Then the cuboid is cut and separated into various cubes, each of side length 1 centimeter. Okay, so which one of the following statement is are correct? The first statement is, there are exactly 15 small cubes with no paint on each faces. Okay, no painting means what? There is no color. Actually all 6 faces has a color. Okay, so no color means if you remove the topmost face, then inside face will have no color. Is it right? Are you getting this one? So actually in 2024, what the question they have asked in 2024, they have asked like inside cube, they have asked like which is surrounded by, I mean all cubes are surrounded by all faces have touch with other cubes. That one is given in 2024. Okay, the same concept is given in 2023 also. Like it is asking like no painting should be there in that face. Okay, so you have to remove the top one face. Okay, so how to understand this one? Like you have to do like this is 7 centimeter. Okay, so that means like what I am saying is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so there are 7 cubes there. Okay, and in this line there will be 5 cubes are there. Okay, so you have to remove the first one, you have to remove the last one, so it will be we have only 5 cubes left. Okay, from this side. Okay, from this side if you remove this one cube and this one cube, it will be 3 cubes left. Okay, 3 cubes. Similarly in this one, if you remove the top one, if you remove the last one, bottom one, only 1 cubes will remain. Okay, only one cube. So actually how many cubes are there left, untouched? It will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So total is 15 cubes. Okay, so if you understand till now, so it will be more easier for you just by calculation, like how to calculate the untouched one, unpainted one. Okay, so it will be like 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 means exactly 15 cubes will have sides with no painting on any faces. Okay, that means statement 1 is correct. Now second one is there are exactly 6 small cubes with exactly 2 faces, one painted blue and other painted with green. Okay, see, blue and green they are asking. Blue means back one and front one. Green is left and right. Okay, so that means if they are asking 6 cubes, so how many cubes it is actually painted with blue and green? So this is 3. Okay, so 3 means there is one. There is a 1, there is a 1, there is a 1. Okay, 3. Fine, means we are talking about the corner one. Okay, at the corner there will be this one is green and back side will be what? Blue. So you have to look at the corner one. Okay, and now it is saying like exactly 2 faces. Okay, so you have to remove this one also. Why? Think, because for this one the upper face will have painted red, the lower face will have painted red. That's why we have to remove this one and that one. Okay, so that means we have left with only one cube from this side also only one cube, from this side only one cube, and from this side only one cube will be left out with this condition, like one face is red and one face is green, sorry, one face is blue and one face is green. Okay, so exactly not 6 face, it should be 4 faces, 4 cubes. Okay, that means second statement is wrong. Are you getting this one? Okay, so when you try to visualize the things, when you able to imagine the cubes and cuboids, it will be more easier for you to calculate the things. Okay, so I hope you have understood the cube and cuboid and whatever the concept they have given. Actually these questions are from 2023 and 2024. That's why I'm saying you should practice this topic, because I think it's very important for 2025 also. They may ask any type of question, but if you understand the concept behind this one, it will be more easier for you to understand and solve any type of question from UPSC. Okay, so lastly I would say, like if you have any doubt, you can comment that in comment section and try to solve the questions, okay, with me or whatever. You can try by yourself also. And if you like the video, my explanation, like this video, okay, and share this with your friends. They will also get benefited with this one. Okay, so till then, have a good day, and Jai Hind.